All right, all right, all right. End of another day. 3:37. And we did okay today. Let's see if we could find those trades that we took. If we could even remember. Mm-mm-mm. So we took this break down here. And we picked up a couple of bucks over here. And then we took this double bottom, I believe, right here. And kind of rode this away. And I think I went as high as 440. And then we caught this retrace, this double bottom. And I got in a little bit early, but we caught it, and I think I caught it around 43. Yeah, I caught it on this break right here. Retraced on me a little bit, but I held the high stop, and then boom, we picked this up. Pretty nice move down. And I believe we got out around here. So we picked up quite a few points on contracts today. That was almost a $500 a contract move right there. So good day, good day. We've been doing all right, making money. Making money is my forte, no diggity. So what do we got here? We got about 20 minutes to the close, but I don't think much is going to change. Looking like a little bit of a doji over there. We still got this, I mean, you could call it a divergence, but it's just kind of flattening out because it's dragging out. We're staying above this channel line. So this is all pretty positive. I think we're just going to continue to consolidate. I think that's what we're going to look like for the rest of the month. I bet we won't even challenge this. I believe it's my 8-day on the EMA. And you can see we tested it one time right here. I bet we come back, do that again. And that's probably the most volatility we're going to see this summer, which goes to show you how the pros are wrong, or at least the talking heads in the news, how they're always talking about volatility this month and all the sensationalism. But again, you just trade what the market's doing. Don't worry about that. I'm sure all the indices look the same. So let's go down to BTBT. One of my free folk friends are watching it. Oh, look at that. He sold a piece of it, but this is a nice hammer, man. Look for that to break tomorrow. I think you might want to take your out when you see a high over here on the rest of it. I know he's got a small piece he's left in it, but looks like that's what it's affording you. Moderna, setting up a daily bear flag, bull flag. I always do that. Dyslexic son of a gun. So it's setting up a daily bull flag. It's a nice retracement. It's not too aggressive. You could look for a break tomorrow, perhaps, or the next day. Hood, we're not interested in. I think another one of the free folk are watching this. And you can argue that that is a bull flag. It's nice. Came in, yeah, did this jump up, traded off, closed the gap, making a bear flag, a bull flag, and look for a break of that tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be Wednesday, and you got oil, so I don't know how aggressive things are going to be. I know another one of the free folk. Oh man, taking a beating in Amazonian. Oh, that's the volume. That number was scary. Okay, still taking a beating. The daily doesn't look too promising. But Amazon's a funny stock. I mean, it'll just hit a support and just take off the other direction. But anyway, he should be watching this 300 mark. I think we might see that 32, 53, 37. I'll tell you what, if it goes down there, I'd be interested in this thing long on a swing. That would be an excellent value trade. Maybe look for that momentum to start swinging around. I would be interested. Oh, AMC. See that? Gave you delusions of grandeur today. Everybody thought it was something that was going to happen. Oh, it turned around. Yeah, well, that's just a green bar. What the heck did I do? There we go. Yeah, that's a real negative bar, huh, fellas? Yeah, you just got to watch that low, basically, if it breaks that low. I still think we're working towards that 2252 right there, but we'll see. Keep an eye on it. I mean, it's doing exactly what we thought it did. The momentum looks like it's turning around a little bit on the daily. The hourly, I mean, it just looks bearish. And this is a flag it's building right here. So, I mean, this bar will obviously close at the close of the day, but that could carry through tomorrow, a bear flag. So, I mean, you should be looking for that 2253 target. I'm feeling pretty good about that. But anyway, that's all of them, and that's it. And it's 3:43, so I'm going to go hang out with my family. And hey, remember, if you're feeling anxiety, emotion, you're not trading right. You got to be you got to be centered. You got to stay calm. You got to be at peace. So just remember, be at peace, trade well, and good luck trading.